thought I'd offer some motivation, some trader motivation to all the new and developing traders, heck, maybe even some of the experienced traders in our trading community. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms located in New York City and proud to have developed numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. We hope our YouTube channel inspires you to grow your trading account. So I wrote this tweet, why not you? Why not you today? My son and I had been watching the Yankees playoff games fanatically, and we'd started our own little inside cheer amongst us. This cheer is similar in words and in spirit to what I often cheer to our promising new and junior traders. This inside cheer started during the regular season. It started with us rooting for unproven players. You might say junior players. So when backup infielder Tyler Wade was pressed into duty and batting, I'd root, why not you, Tyler Wade? And then my son, with a huge grin on his face, would follow with, yeah, why not you, Tyler Wade? When backup catcher Kyle Higashioka was thrust into duty and batting, I would cheer, why not you, Higgy? And my son would quickly follow, yeah, why not you, Higgy? We've extended this cheer now to other players and time frames as these inside cheers tend to metastasize. But the genesis was rooting for up and coming players. During my AM walk around the shore town we escaped to when COVID struck, a thought for the trading community just hit me. Why not you? Why not you today? I stopped, punched in my tweet, and continued with my walk. But I kept thinking about this tweet. And while I thought it was sparked just by the inside cheer for our Yankees, it wasn't. I remembered that the true genesis is from the work developing new and junior traders on our prop desk. The true spark is from the communication to our traders on our desk who have not yet become proven traders. We're fortunate to have developed many elite traders on our desk. Since 2005, our work has focused on developing new traders into consistently profitable and then star traders. New and junior traders see who the star traders are at the firm. You can't miss them. Most can see their P&L and the trades of these star traders in real time, or they hear from another trader or other traders at the firm who have access to the huge trades these elite traders make. They know about the black shirt traders, 2 million plus in net trading profits for the year. And now even the sapphire shirt traders, 10 million plus in net trading profits for the year. They know, and we often remind them of this important fact. Those traders were developed at our firm and were once just like them. We remind the new and junior traders about the times when those now sapphire shirt traders were happy making $4,000 to $8,000 a month consistently. We share with our new and junior traders how those star traders went from consistently profitable to elite. That those elite traders are only elite because they did the work. There's no better way to learn than copying role models who have become successful. There's no better way to become a successful trader than to copy the work of the traders who have become great. So that Yankees cheer, we now say an awful lot on our desk to our up and coming traders. When a junior or new trader makes a terrific trade, but not yet a huge amount of money, often I'll say to them, why not you? What I mean by that is, why can't you, new and junior trader, make more trades like this? Why can't you, new and junior trader, make more trades like this bigger? And then often I sprinkle in a story of one of our elite traders and how they were once small and how they became bigger and better. So when I tweet, why not you? I mean that many elite traders were once just like you and they became great. And perhaps you can as well. And at our firm, we want our new and junior traders thinking they can. When they make a winning trade, this is proof they can win more often and bigger. And we want those training in our trading community thinking they can as well. And when I tweet, why not you today, I don't mean to get huge in your next trade. I don't mean to force the next trade with size. I mean today should be that day you commit to doing the work that other elite traders have done to succeed. Today should be the day you do all the things necessary to succeed, and not some of the things, and not some of the things on some of the days, and not only on the days that you want to, but today and tomorrow and the day after that and day 3,456 from today. There once was a time when Aaron Judge was just an up-and-coming Yankee. Now he's a star. There once was a time when our top traders were up-and-coming traders. Now they are all-star traders. Why not you? Why not you today? So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of S&B Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training. That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with S&B to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part? You don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.